Stream started.
Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Welcome. Ah. Today I'm a little bit sleepy. Yeah. I feel like I didn't quite rest well enough last night. Yeah. So this stream might be a little bit more low energy than normal. Yeah. But I think we can make some progress on the game without an issue. Yeah. So we basically got most of the structure of the dungeon down, I believe. Yeah. The only thing we need to do now is basically not only make the assets, there are some bits and pieces of the dungeon that are not yet made. Yeah, like the... Oh, hello, welcome. Hello, welcome. Buona Carla. I forgot to fix that. Yeah. Ah. Yeah, there are bits like the push-up box, some of the the platform, the pressure switch, excuse me, the spikes, the thorns, and a bunch of other assets that we are missing currently. Yeah. We already have the dungeon key and the chest. It's more about spawning the what to call it? Hasting? Yeah.
Dungeon key.
Dungeon key. Welcome. Also, because I didn't take into account the thickness of the walls, some rooms might be a little bit small, and there might be a chance that we might need to rethink some of the puzzles. Yeah, because we don't have the perfect amount of space I thought I were going to have. Yeah. Ah. Can you tell I'm sleepy? Yeah. I just saw the video you posted on Discord. Yeah, it seems my theory about the ISRs and the iron boots was kinda correct, huh? You sound less motivated today? Yes, I'm sleepy. I didn't quite sleep well, so I'm not quite awake, so to speak. YouTube recommended it to you for some reason? Yeah. Yes. I also think I need to do a little bit more effort to finish my videos, the ones I'm editing about the dungeons, because I feel like I should get more subscribers from that. And also I believe if I don't, I'm just going to accumulate a bunch of videos that I need to do, and it's going to be harder for me to actually go through them. Yeah. Basically. We also need to implement the map and the compass, which are two things that I didn't think we were going to need, but I suppose in the end we are going to. Yeah. Sadly. Ah. You could kinda make a tile set to draw them up. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do with that. I need to figure out a way to implement it that is not very difficult to make, but still serves its purpose, right? So that might be a bit difficult. Yeah, I need to figure it out. Basically, I need to think the feature in general. Yeah. So, if you have any ideas of what you would like the map to be, you can post it on the Discord. Yeah. I don't want it to be exactly the same as Zelda. Yeah. I want it to be, even if it's just slightly, a little bit different. Like Metroid. Well, the Metroid one is pretty much the same as Zelda, in my opinion. Or maybe I'm misremembering stuff, because I recall it working exactly like Zelda's. Yeah. Then again, the last Metroid I played was Metroid Prime. And I have not really played the latest Metroids or the retro games. Yeah, so I might need a refresher for that one. Yeah. Oh. The only one you played is Metro Fusion. I actually don't remember if I actually played Metro Fusion. Yeah, so if the map works different than the other Metroids, I wouldn't know. I have not really played every Metroid game. I kinda want to. Yeah. Is X is scary? Really? I never found the X-Spiders particularly scary. That's the barriers, right? I don't quite remember. More like stressful? Yeah. I'm not quite sure. Hold on. Let me kick my cat out before they start destroying something. 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay. Ah. Yeah, I was working on the script for the video of the deco tree, and I realized it's so not complex but lengthy, right? It's very wordy because I'm explaining one room at a time. Yeah. Then again, I have the feeling that once I actually make the video, it's going to be way shorter than I am thinking it's going to be. Yeah. Okay, shall we move on to the game development?
Stream started. Dungeon key.
Dungeon key. Okay, so we have new. That's not looking correctly. I really need to stop and fix that algorithm. Yeah. Okay. So this, I believe, is the entrance. Yeah.
E.
Yeah, it is. Okay. E. Welcome, Lisette. Welcome. So today we'll be doing... Shush. This particular dungeon. Okay, so first we need a way in. Basically, right? So let me grab a door. Just a random door. Just to have it as a way in and out. Let's see. Door. Right, and this is going to be like that. And we want to point to a location. Let me actually check where was this dungeon going to be located. 1 second. I don't even remember. Let's see. Just let me make sure I don't show something spoilery. Okay. Right there. That shouldn't be too difficult to do, I believe. Huh. Okay, so this is supposed to go there. I really need to add coordinates to these maps. Let's see. What is that map in particular? Overworld. This is supposed to be to the east and is on the north. Far. That is that there, so it should be the 12-4. Yeah, that's the correct one. Okay. So the entrance has to be here. Let me just hide this map. Okay. Let's see. So I'm just going to put a random door here. Because we still have no map in this area. Real stuff here, so let's see. Let's aim these to the dungeon. And the dungeon we want is 710 right there. For the moment, I will leave it like this. Yeah. So that should be working right there. And I need... Actually, let me move this a little bit up. And this one is going to do the same. I'm just going to aim it to the correct map. 1274. So 1274. And with that, we have the access to that area. Okay, so let's check it out, shall we? Let's see how our dungeon looks. And it crashed. Lovely. What happened there? Perfection this no set different is creation blah blah blah. Oh, I see. Basically because we don't have a prefix at that point. So let me just get map data. I believe it was the correct function. Yeah, the one that fills everything. Yeah, okay. Just to make sure it's correctly loaded. Ah, really? Maybe because it's the first run that it doesn't have anything? Okay. So here I'm loading map prefix, right? Yeah, it's because the ROM name doesn't have that structure. Okay, so basically because the length is not correct, we are not getting the correct information right here, right? So I'm going to make a switch real quick just to correct that. So we are going to have the case where we have 4 pieces, right? And I just need to grab this. And I'm just going to call a variable parts. Right, and this one we're going to check if we have 4 parts. We are going to use this code right here. Actually, let me divide this because I want these variables to exist. I'm just going to initialize this as empty at the start. And these are going to be -1 by default. Yeah, so we have an initial state. Right, we divide this and grab that. Now, if the pieces is actually 3, case 3, right? On 3, that would be a map like these ones, the loader on the screen and main menu, right? In that case, I'm going to just set map prefix to map prefix to the first part. It would be just like this, right? Map prefix. Which is matching 1, right? That will give us menu, main. Actually, I can just combine this, right? I can just say, okay, just put them together. And just say it as that. Okay, in theory that should work. This one just uses map prefix as the yeah, I only need map prefix. Okay, good. Okay. I should fix it, actually. Okay, Now let's see the dungeon. Oh. Oops. This is not correct. There is an underscore extra there. Extra. And we crash again. Trying to use not existing surface. Ah! That's so annoying. Let's see. I'm going to need to use the manual for this. Let's see. Check if surface exists. If no surface exists of this, just return. No need to bother with anything. You also managed to beat Pomodora? Really? Nice. How did it go? Okay, now we can proceed. Lovely. Oh yeah, I forgot. There is that there. So let me go to the new game. Short and kinda easy. Really? That's too bad. Okay. Let me just save. And let's go to the dungeon. I believe the entrance should be over here. Wait, I'm lost. Was it on the other side? Hold on. I just made proper build and Unga Bungat on the faces of the final boss? Really? That sounds like the boss was not that complex. Sadly, there it is. Okay. So, we go in here. Welcome to the dungeon. So now we are on the dungeon. And we can actually move through it. Wait, did I? Oh, I got teleported to the end. Huh. So here we are with the area where the dungeon key is going to be. Right here. And we got the different areas of the dungeon. Already working properly. Thanks to the script I made. At least the extra boss seems more like challenge that can two-shot a tank, really. I feel like that one is a bit over OP. Ah, I got stuck. Lovely. Let me step outside of the dungeon. Really? What the fuck? Wait, something's off. Why am I getting teleported to the ground direction? Wait. Yeah, I'm getting sent to the ground map. Huh? What the fuck? That's working correctly. That's working correctly. That's working correctly. What the hell? Wait. Yeah, that's correct. Maybe because I loaded? Is that the issue? Huh. So if I load, there is an issue with the arrangement, apparently. I'm right here. Yeah, there is this weird thing where when you teleport to another map, it's not working correctly. Huh. Something about the gameplay and lore, I guess, closer to Dark Souls? Really? Sounds interesting. I might actually check it out. Yeah. Okay, so in our first challenge is to go through a door that is missing right here. To go to the right. Ah, damn it. Okay, so I'm right here, right? If I do this, I get stuck. If I go over here. Yeah, something's wrong with the loading of the areas. I need to check what's up with that. Okay, so this is the dungeon. I'm going to save right here. We're going. Oh, wait. I think I know what the issue is. I just realized. Yeah. Yeah, I think I need to fix that. Okay, so here we have this area right here that leads to this. This is going to be a little puzzle. I got stuck already. Yeah, that's an issue. I need to figure out why I'm getting teleported into walls. Like right there. If I'm right here and I go down, that's an error on my part actually. Yeah, this wall is slightly bigger. It's not aligning correctly, yeah. Is that misaligned too? Right here? When I go from here to here? Yeah, this is misaligned also. This needs to be one block down. Let me fix that, actually. It's a good thing that I actually checked that. Let's see. That would be 8-1, I believe. Yeah, this one right here needs to be one wall to the right. So I can just thin this out and do this a little bit thicker. Right? And according to our little thing, it needs a door right there. Like that. And on the one next to it, I believe it's 9-1 right here. This one is not aligned with the other one, so I need to set this one higher one. Like that. Yeah. Actually, I think it looks better like this. So I'm going to fix the next one. To align it set. Not that one. 9-1 was it? Was it this one? So I need to go down one like that. That should in theory fix that issue. Right? Ah, shit. So here, we should have an alignment right there. And it leads to this and this over here. That is going to be a little puzzle. And then we're missing a door over here. Yeah. Okay. We're missing the door that goes right there. Right here-ish. Okay, also there was the one that was on 8-1, but up 2, so that would be 8-3 right here. We're missing a door right there. Oh wait, you can see. We're missing this door right here. So I need to make a hole right here. Right? So go in here, and from here to the right. This should allow us to do a little loop. From here to here to here to here, back out. Okay, that's working perfectly. And here we go back up. We have our little area for the heart that we have before. Here we are going to have a switch right here, leading to the map in this room. Right? And to the right we have a little time attack where we need to go through here to reach the end. From here we have a little fight, I believe. Then we go up for a puzzle, and then we go left for another fight and a little puzzle, and then down to exit through here, right? Then once we are done with this, we go to this door right there, And then we need to go left over here. We enter and do a little puzzle right here. Then we go back up. Here there is going to be an enemy to kill to get over here. Here there is a puzzle leading us here to the sub-boss for a mini boss fight. Then over to the right, here we will find the ever-burning torch. We go back out. And from here we go right, burning some bushes right here. Thorns I mean. And here we push the block to exit again. And from here we go out. Right? Up here we're going to do a little puzzle using the ever-burning torch and some blocks to get the boss key from a chest right here. And then we can go up in the path of the boss. Here we fight the boss and we get the reward right here. Right? Now, over here we have a little area that we're missing that leads to the underground for the dungeon. That is a totally option area, right? Yeah. I think it's pretty much good. Is not much time between the sub-boss and the boss? Yeah, you're kinda right. We're missing the whole lower floor of the dungeon right here because I don't have a way to get down there currently. Then again, take into account the pace of the dungeon is going to be much slower than what I just did because we're going to have a bunch of puzzles everywhere. Yeah. Let me divide the rooms actually. Let's call this F1. Just so I have a bit more control. These are F1. Right, all of these are F1 and those are B1. Okay. Guess you can really speedrun this kind of game. It depends on the how many required items are on the critical path. Yeah. If you know what you're doing, you can actually blast through the dungeons really easily. Yeah. Okay. From here to where? I think I suppose we maybe should make the main puzzle piece that we have. Yeah. So I need to make a block, a pushable block, right? Which is going to be interesting. We can close this, we can close this. Okay, so first we need to make a sprite, a placeholder sprite that is. And that sprite is going to be named sprite underscore devlog for now. So basically, this is going to be just a block. There we go. Maybe a little bit brighter. And I can just do this to make it more interesting. Right? And I will use this. Let me make a different layer. I'm just going to do that and grab it, and I will just place it on the corners like that. Right, then that's it. We have our placeholder. Now we need an object, so we go over here. We make an object, right? And this object is going to be object underscore lock. Right, and we don't need this. We set the sprites to what we want, and now we can place the block over here. What is that? That's not what I want. Okay, there we go. We have our block. And now the behavior we want is very simple. When we are hit, we want the block to keep going until it bumps with anything, right? So I'm going to add the step. I'm going to add switch. Let's see. We will use state, I suppose. Face moving. We're going to check for direction. Let's call this move to direction, actually, just like that. Move to direction. Right, and this is going to be a function. Function move to direction. And that function is going to do, we are just going to check with the switch or current direction, and case direction dot down break. down, left, right, up. And we are just going to move in that direction. So X, actually Y equals Y plus 4, just to make it really fast. And the up is going to be a negative right here. Left is going to be on X, and it's going to be negative. Right is going to be on the other direction. Right. So when we get hit, we need to calculate the position of the player. Case state dot hit break on hit. Function on hit. Let's see. How I was checking the direction of the player. Like this. To know the direction of the player. Okay. We have that. Actually, let's separate this into its own function. Function get player direction. Right, and here I'm going to just call this one underscore player direction equals to clear dot none at the start, and at the end we just return the player direction. And this one I'm going to go copy and just use this one. And I need to check which value is greater, the difference on X on different on Y. So I'm going to make a variable called absolute that is going to be maps of difference in Y minus the difference in X, right, on apps. right? So if switch, well, if the absolute is positive, equals to 0, is greater than 0, that means we are on Y, so this needs to be the other way around. If x is less than 0, that means the bigger number is x, right? So we calculate on x, if not, we calculate on y. Right? So this is going to be difference on y. So if the difference is greater than 0, that means the player is up, if not, is down, I believe. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. So we have our direction created quite nicely. I'm going to put it over here because I'm going to use it a lot. Alright, so here I'm going to just say bar the direction is going to be get player direction. Right, and now I want to be inverting that. Because we're going to move on the opposite direction of the player location, right? So I need to invert the direction. Function invert there, and that is going to be a switch. And I will just grab the direction given and run it through a case. Case there dot down return there dot up. There up returns there down, there left returns there right, right returns left. There we go. In the case somehow it doesn't fall any of the cases, I'm just going to return the direction as it is. Okay, so now we just say our direction is going to be the inverse direction of the location of the player, right? And with that, we know which way to move, right? So here we need a switch, and we are just going to move in that particular direction. Oh wait, we just switched to state. Our state is going to change to move. And that's good enough, because we already have the movement over here. Yeah. There we go. And here we just need to check if we are going to hit anything, right? So if we're moving down, I need to check if place meeting on x of y plus 4, we get collisions. Then we change to our state. If we are going to hit something, we are going to change your state from whatever it is to idle, right? And we will return, so we stop moving, right? That's basically it. And I'm going to run this for every movement piece. Right, this is y plus 4. This is x minus 4. Like that. Then we have x plus 4. And then we have y minus 4. Okay. Like that. In that way, we move into the direction until we hit something, and then we stop. And we on hit change the state and direction. Yeah. That looks like it works. Let's give it a try. Ah. Object not set. Oh. Oops. Yeah. My bad. I forgot to set the variable definitions. State is going to be an expression, and it's going to be state dot idle, right? And we're going to have here, and it's going to be an expression, and it's going to be there dot none, right? Okay, so we are right here, right? If I hit... Oh, right, this is not on the attack list. Whoops. Hold on. Scripts attack. On the get hit list, I believe it is. Let's add our little object. Object underscore devlog. Right? That's the name of our new thing. Yeah. Devlog. There we go. One more try. Now I go. Ah! Oh, right, it doesn't have HP. Right. That's an issue. Let me add HP. And I will simply set it to an integer. And I will just set it to infinity. Right? Is that the correct value? Infinity. That one right there. Yeah. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, so what? And you can hear it. Nice. It's actually working. Oh, that's not supposed to happen. That definitely is not correct. That's working correctly. That's working correctly. Okay. Maybe the projectile is actually affecting stuff. Yeah. Yeah, it's working correctly from what I can see. Yeah. What do you guys think? Yeah, currently you can walk on them. Lucky? Okay. Let's fix the issue with the collisions. So basically, currently the collisions are coming from the utility, I believe. Utils. Get collisions. Okay. So here I just need to say, actually let me just make a parent before I do anything. If not, it's going to get complicated. I didn't need to do that. Object underscore block parent, simply like that. And what I'm going to do is just make this guy the parent of the blocks, obviously. And what I'm going to do is just open parents, set the block parent. Let's open this one, and I'm just going to set the variable definitions and move these ones down here. So HP, infinity. Then we have state, expression state dot idle. I need to remove these ones. State of idle. And then we have a direction. There dot none. Okay, and we have that. Now that we have that, I can add to the collisions the block object underscore block parent like that, and that should make the blocks collide with each other and with the player. So if I go over here and I add another one, right, right there. Ah, I got stuck. Yeah, let me set something actually. Yeah, let me move the block because I'm going to get stuck there really easily. Okay, so we are here. I can push them together. Ah, that's an issue. They kinda work and kinda don't. Well, at least it's going to work for the puzzles. Yeah. The only issue is that the swerving is going to be a real issue when you try to actually move stuff around if you are on full health. So I was thinking on maybe modifying a little bit the attack, because it's going to cause trouble with the puzzles. Yeah. Maybe if I disable the pierce, that would be enough. Yeah. So if I do this, now it's not working. Damn it. What's happening there? We have the destroy, we have this. Update a march attack. And shake, no person stays dying. Ah, I see. It's because of the structure I'm saying stuff. Wait. I believe I modified. Wait, which one was it? Not this one. There was one that had the same issue, but I fixed it. I don't remember which one was it. Didn't just add any drops. It's because it's returning the impact. Alright. It's because when we shoot the attack, I'm not setting the owner. Okay, I remember now. Yeah. So the issue is on the player. Player. Step on attack. Attack, state attack. We're actually assigning the correct owner, from what I see. Wait, then what's the issue? Huh? Maybe it's because I'm hitting the object with mine? Is that the issue? With the sword? I'm striking my attack at the same time I cast it? Is that the issue? What's happening here? Okay, there immediately it trigger the pierce for some reason. Variables, self, much HP, that's okay. Damage, pierce is set to false, inter-release, undefined. Direction, owner, object player, okay. I'll release one, that is object player. Why is it the attack returning one? That's weird. Okay, so on the fact, the inter-release, it's currently supposed to be a 0. Returning interrupt. Inter-release should be undefined. Parody is false. Interrupt this is undefined. Canva is a lifesaver. I don't think I have actually used that one. Yeah. Why is this not working, I wonder? This prevents damage right there because you just skip it, but it is higher. Let me check what's in here actually. Right there, we are moving. Wow. Interrupt is undefined. It's one. Interrupt is one. That's weird. Interrupt list is undefined. I really don't have an interrupt list. I don't. Yeah, I set it to undefined right there. Basically, on live Photoshop for summers, the price is quite ridiculous. Really, I'd rather not use those. I prefer to learn it, even if it's a bit more time wasty. Yeah. Maybe I should just default to an empty instead of an empty array instead of what I'm doing right here, because I feel like it's actually causing issues. I'm going to just set it like this. You only use the free trial? Well, I suppose that's nice. There we go. Now it's working. But now it's actually piercing, which is not a good thing. Well, I could just set it to object underscore enemy parent. and object underscore block. Alright. Maybe that will fix some stuff. Useful for college presentations? Really? Ah, that is working quite nicely. Now, it doesn't punch through objects. There is just a little moment where the debug message triggers right there. Yeah. So it doesn't allow a GIF? Really? That's interesting. Yeah, these blocks I think are working correctly now. Okay, now that we have the blocks working correctly, and the projectiles working correctly, how about we make the next element. I'm going to make a new block that we need for our little dungeon. I'm going to make the
Pray for me, you, I'm cooked. It's 5 a.m.
Welcome, Glass. What are you doing up? Yeah, why are you awake, Glass? What the hell? You must be dying. They are either up early or they have not slept yet. Just a notification here, and it's not like the last hour, the last 30 minutes stream. Yeah, you're kinda out of your time zone. Yes. Yeah. I'm really streaming on the worst possible time zone for you, huh? You have not slept and you have exams too. Wow. You are going to die. Either during school or during the exam. I'm pretty sure you are going to be you're going to blow a fuse in your brain. It's great to see you whenever. Yeah, but then again, I'm often on Peach's stream. Not always, but I pass through quite often. So it's not like you don't see me around. I frequent both of peaches and jelly streams. I have accepted I'm going to get low grades already, not much to do about that. Well, yeah, but one thing is getting low grades and getting like fairly good scores otherwise, and the other one is to be half dead during the exam. Yeah, I have the feeling if you keep going like this, you are going to have hallucinations during the exam. Yeah. Make up for the low grades with good portfolio. Yeah, I suppose that's a good idea. Also, at least where I am in my country, most employers, most business never actually check your grades on school. Yeah. Yeah, if you keep going like this, you're going to have a bad time indeed. Yes. Also, my stream, particularly this one, the one where I'm building something, is going to be kinda heavy on the brain also, if you are actually paying attention. So, just a warning. You don't have to worry about it because there is actually a clear problem in the country as I speak. I don't think that's a good thing, in my opinion. I use strategic naps and occasional rings to control where you die. Ricardo will be that one player that never lets their hero sleep and keeps them going on pure Phoenix Towns. I will inform you if you want some contents after stream. Yeah, that's fine. You can just put it on through Discord. Send me a DM if you don't want it to be publicly on the stream. Yeah. Okay, so I want to use this. And place it on the block parent. Your university lecturer is reading your chat. Really? And so you don't play multiplayer. I don't get annoyed by other people don't get annoyed by me, is Kevin. Really? Delete. And I will grab the... Wait, didn't I have stuff on the crate? Did I put everything on step? Huh. Wait. No. I made a mistake. Uh-oh. I think I made a mistake. I was too distracted. That's great. Okay. This is step. Okay. A step and this is great. Okay. I almost made a huge mistake. Okay, we got that. I'm going to kill this real quick. I'll be back soon. Till then, take care. Okay. Thank you for coming, Glass. Don't die. Don't die, don't die. Okay, this is working correctly. Nice. In the case you do can have your toast paste. Wow. Okay, let me make a new object. Objects. Object underscore block yellow. And I'm going to add the parent block. Right, that gives us these ones. And I want one extra, and that is the timer. So I'm going to just inherit the create. And I will add one more function. Right? Let's see. This is going to be on what do we call this? Offset. I believe that's the most descriptive one that I can make. On off test, and I'm going to save the original location. So origin now position is going to be equal to new vector 2 with x and y. So we save our starting position, right? And I'm going to just have a timer right here, timer. And I will set it to actually remove that timer. I'm going to set it to, let's say, not 1. How about just 1? Now, let me remove that. I'm being very indecisive. Timer. And I'm going to set an integer, and that's going to be, let's say 3. Okay, so I'm going to have here the frames timer, and that's going to be the timer times 60, right? And countdown is going to be equals to 0, right? By default. So when we are offset, we are going to reduce the countdown, right? Each frame, and if countdown is less than 0, we set x equal to original position dot x and y to original position dot y, like that, basically, right? Last week, most of the viewers and regular watch were on break, including June to say less distraction for me to finish your work. Really? Did we all actually align in that manner? That's surprising. Yeah. Okay, now over here I'm going to inherit this one also. Switch. State case state.idle break and here I'm just going to use an if x is different to origin not x or y is different to origin dot y, we are going to run on offset right. I was good it out too. Yeah, that's quite the what to call it, coincidence. You also have, let me open the parent. The parent. Here we just trigger on hit, right? So here when we get hit, I'm just going to add the functionality. We need to the countdown is going to be equal to the frame timer. On hit. Okay, in theory it should work. Now I just need to make the sprite. I'm going to duplicate this one, actually. And let's call this one yellow. Yellowy block. Right, and this one we're going to modify. Actually, let me grab a little bit more pale because that's a bit bright. And I will put this one right there. And for these ones, I'm going to set it on... Ah! That actually made me jump. Okay, there we go. That's going to be our yellow block. And let's set the sprite. Yellow. Okay, so we have our yellow block right there, which is really fun. Also, I need to fix something before I continue. You need to be on middle center, and you also need to be on middle center. Okay. Right. So this is going to be interesting. So let's see if it works the way I think it will. So we're going here. If I hit this, It's not working. This one is working. Hold on. Let me see what's happening here. Let's check it out. Okay, let's see. So we are checking these values. X is 376 and that's correct. 96 and 96. So this should not pass because they are not different, right? So we move forward and that skips. Okay, we go to hit and nothing happens, so we move on. Okay, so that's working correctly, right? So I'm going to move these over here. Okay, we're right here, right? So when I attack, we go, this is the interrupt. I don't need to check that. Let's see. This appears. I don't need to know that. Huh. That's weird. It's not triggering at all. Oh. Okay, let me check. Show parent. Let's go to on hit. Let's check that. It's not triggering on hit. That one is triggering. So basically it's not triggering the functions at all. Huh. That's interesting because we have the inherit event right here. So they should be working. Huh. That's so weird. Okay. Let's see. Oh, wait. Hold on a second. I think I know what the issue is. Do I? Yes, it should be working. What's happening here? Yeah, this is working correctly. This is not. Why is that not working? Yeah, those are working perfectly, but this one is not. Huh. That's so weird. Okay, let's see. What's happening here? Okay, we're in the inherent event, right here, right? So here we're going to switch, then we move to that. We are not moving, we are not hit, so it just skips, right? We're back over here, then we check the state, we are in middle, we check the values. This is exactly the original position it should be, so it skips over it. Right, then we go out and continue. Recheck if we are moving, if not, we just continue. Obstacle cooldown, where am I? Oh, this is a different instance, okay. We are back here. That seems to be working correctly, okay. I will remove these two. We're right here. Let me remove the states for now. That rider is not working for some reason. That's so weird. Okay, let's see. That's not triggering at all. What the hell? Trying to figure out. Oh wait, this changes the... Oh wait, this changes the state right here. So that means when we go over here, this is never going to trigger, right? So when we go over here and the position is different because it moved, it will trigger on set. Yeah. I see what the issue is. Ah, okay. Got it. So I need to override this, not just insert it. Yeah, okay. So I will remove that. Right. Let me cue that. So we have this thing right here. I will move this idle over here-ish. This I will move right there. And I can cue this. Yeah, that should fix the issue. Now if I do this, it doesn't work. Lovely. Nice. Okay, we are right here. And let me just trigger on offset when you get into the functions instead of just randomly. Okay. And this is not triggering at all, which is lovely. That triggered right there. Perfectly. This is not. So it's not going into the correct state, I suppose. Yeah, it's not moving. I'm trying to figure out. Ah. Why is it not letting me put the breakpoint right here? Hello? Ah, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, we're here. Right there. And we go inside. We check. We had the values correctly. Okay. So we go over it. We break and we leave. Then why are we here? What instance am I in? Variables? Log parent step 0 from blue block. Okay, that's a different thing. Okay. We are right here. It skips. Okay. Hold on. I think something's wrong with this. It's not showing me the breakpoints, which is annoying. Let me reset the editor. I feel like it's tripping balls. Okay. So I want to check when it goes into here and into the head. Right. So we are right here. If I attack, it's not triggering at all, which is extremely annoying. These ones are working, but this one is not. Ah, why are you not working? Trait. We have the original position, the timer, the countdown. You have set triggers right there. And did you reset the position? Our default state is idle. So that shouldn't be an issue. That's so weird, it's not even triggering at all. Huh. What the hell? Oh, I see. It's not evaluating the other states because it's getting idle first. Okay. Oh, wait. Wait. Could it be that the script for attack is not targeting the block? No, I'm using the parent. So that should not be the issue. Okay. That's player, okay. That's player still. That's player still. It's not registering the hit, like at all. That's weird. Huh. Wait, what's happening here? I'm really confused now. Okay. Yeah, it's not registering the hit with the yellow block. Huh. Yeah, there he should have registered the hit, but didn't. What the fuck? There, There you can see it actually register the hit. Right? But that doesn't happen with the other block. You can see it's detecting the player right there. But when you hit that one, it doesn't actually register the hit. There is detecting the player. And then it registers the hit on the thing. Quite a lot, actually. Yeah, it's not triggering for the block for some reason. That's the issue. It's not detecting the block as a hit, a strikeable object. Huh? What the fuck? It should be detected. I don't know why it's not detecting it. What the hell? The issue with that is that I did copy paste the code. Actually, let me do something. How about I just simply literally comment everything. Except for the code, the original code. And I'm just going to use it as it is. Here now the yellow block is identical to the blue block, right? That one is working. This one is not. What the actual hell? What the fuck? Huh? What the fuck? What the hell? It's because I'm inheriting? Or something? Hold on, let me just delete this. Now, they are quite literally identical in every way. You can see right here, the blue block and the yellow block quite literally have the same values in everything. We have an well, this has an extra HP right here. And it has the timer. I'm going to just remove it. Okay, now they are identical, perfectly identical. The blue block is working, okay. The yellow block, not at all. What the actual fuck? Ah! Ah! It does have the parents. The parent has both blocks right there. I don't know why it's not detecting it, like at all. Let me see, attack. Attack. Okay, so attack uses the get hit list to know who attack. Ah. Yeah, you were right. This is painful. Timer. 3. Integer. Inherent. Original underscore pass equals new vector 2 with x and y. We need a frame timer. The request is going to be equal to timer times 60. We need a count down and equals to 0. Function of on off set. Count down minus if x is different to original position on x, or no, wait, countdown is less than 0, x equals original position dot x, y equals original position dot y. That's the offset. Okay. Overwrite. Inherit. Oh, this actually saved. Lovely. So I can just set that like that. And I believe everything is already set. The pain. And a crash! Lovely! Abort. Frames timer. Oh, that's the issue. Okay. Should solve it. There we go. Now it's working way better. Yeah. It returns to their position quite nicely. Not the way I want, but it's working. Yeah. Now at least you can actually hit it. So we have right times 6 easy to set the timer. The countdown is just set to that. On hit, and on hit we do everything that needs to be done. What happens when it collides with an enemy? It should do the same thing, where it just stops. Now I just need to fix this. Countdown less than 0. I need to check why it's resetting immediately, which it shouldn't be doing. Wait, I forgot to play the correct mode. Continue to, let's see. There it is. It triggered a variable. Let's see. Direction, knock frames, timer. Timer is 0. Why is timer 0? Frames timer 0. Okay, maybe I forgot to set the value. Oh, yeah, I did. That's the issue. Okay, so now it should take a moment to teleport back. So now you can move it and it will eventually reset. Right? So I can go ahead and do something like this. And after a moment, it will put back to the location. Yeah. That's working correctly, no? Yeah, basically it makes it so the puzzle has a timer. Yeah. I just need to modify this so the timer doesn't reset on strike. So if countdown is less or equals to 0, we set the timer, else it will keep counting. Right? So we'll give you a certain amount of time to place the blocks where it needs to go. And then we'll just reset. If you don't do it on time, it will simply teleport back. Even mid-movement. Well, when it reaches the end, I suppose. Yeah, that's working quite nice. Yeah. And now I can add a little state right here. Case state dot pump. Why is not showing me the tooltips anymore? That's weird. We just set state to state dot hit, just so it resets correctly. It behaves correctly, excuse me. I will put this over here also, just to make sure. Yeah. Ah. Now I can add a few more of this to make it more interesting, right? So I'm right here, right? And I can use a bump. Ah! That didn't quite work the way I wanted. Ah, it's because using the player's location as a direction. That's my screw up. Yeah. I need to use the object that hit them as the point of direction. Yeah. So that's an issue. I need to use the point of contact. Yeah. Let's see. How do I fix that? This is using the player direction. How about I have a variable that I will call author. Wait, is this a reserved word? What is author? Oh, it's an instance. It's a constant, but I don't know what does it mean. Author has a definition in collision events. Author refers to the author is a connect with the current instance. Ah, I see. Interesting. I see. Okay, that variable might be useful, but it seems a little bit advanced. So I will just call this projectile. And we will call this as undefined for now. Okay. Literally a physics puzzle game. Yes and no, because I'm not actually using physics calculations to set things up, right? Need projectile, different equals. On the sides, just return. Okay, so here projectile is going to be the calculation right here, right? And to trigger that in the correct way, I need to use it directly from the attack. When we calculate the damage, is where I need to trigger that. Return false, knockback. Variable exists, invisibility, trigger UI, block, then trigger knockback. I need to modify this function because I believe it's a little bit overcomplicated. This is where we trigger the damage right here. Okay. So I'm going to just simply set if this, we are going to check for the variable, and variable is going to be I believe that should work correctly, and I will use this. Basically, I'm checking for the existence of the variable to assign it. Right, in theory that should work. Let's see. So now if I use a bomb, right, perfect. I can do something interesting here. I can... you can actually bounce it on a different direction by positioning yourself differently. How about I place that there, hit this, and then that over there. Oh, I got an idea. How about I set a bomb right there? Ah, shit, I got a bomb right there. And I need to time it better. a little bit better. I don't have any more bombs. Bomb. And ta-da! And stopping the teleporting in the right location. Can it teleport while moving? Not really. It needs to come to a stop. Yeah. What happens if there is something in the position when it teleports back? Okay, let's test it out, shall we? I'm simply going to push this one down, and then this, actually that one down, wait for the teleport back. I strike the ground I didn't want to. Hold on, I can do this. Like this. This is already a puzzle by itself. Let's see. Well, I can do it like this. There is going to be on top of each other. Yeah, they just spawn on top of it. Yeah, if it goes out of the map, it's gone for good. Yes, you are indeed correct. And this one is basically stuck right there. Yeah. Well, he's not supposed to be able to go out of the room, to be fair. Yeah, I need to fix the issue where if you overlap the blocks, it causes the blocks to collide. Yeah. That should be actually an easy fix. Right here on the state of base, state of idle, I can set the check. Let's say if place meeting with object underscore block parent, if we are in contact with another block, let's call reset, right? And reset is going to be a simple reset function. Reset is going to be... Actually, I can take advantage of this. Not sure. This one. Original vector position. So maybe I don't need it. This one right there. I can just have this one right here. And just say... on reset, x equals to original vector position x. Y... like that. That's a reset position, right? So if we're hitting a different object, it will automatically reset on idle, right? I can move this also over here to the yellow one. On idle, we have the check after the fact. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. So, if I move these ones, wait, how did I do the other thing before? Oh, right. I just need to push this, that, like that. Like that. And send the block away. And put one on its place. And then both of the blocks get reset to their original positions. Nice! That's actually quite nice. Yeah. Now, for when they leave the room, let's add a little event. That's going to be on outside room, and I will just say reset. Right? That way the block will return to the position. Now I just need to not put it on the yellow block, but on the parent. Another outside room. Just reset. And that's it. Right? Well, I pressed the wrong button, but that's fine. So we go in here. If I push this to the side, and send it up, it just resets. Oh, you can actually maybe do a trick using that. Yeah. That would be very smart. Huh. That's actually a really nice option. I never actually thought about that. Huh, that's actually very interesting. Basically pushing the blocks into a teleporter? Yeah. Yeah, it looks very interesting. It looks like a teleporter. Yeah. That would be really nice. Well, these blocks are working quite nicely now. I believe. Is this portal now? It kinda feels like it, huh? I could actually set a teleporter. That would be interesting. Let's say, for example, let me just make an object. Let's call this object underscore teleporter. Right? And it's going to be very specific. Let's give it my debugs, right? That. Right? And what I'm going to do is simply on collision. With let's just set it for object parents for blocks only for now. I'm simply going to send the object to a location, right? Let's set a target X and Y, right? And I don't need that. And Y. Integers. Then I will simply grab the other and I will say other.x equals x, other.y equals y, right? Now that I have that, I can grab this thing, our little teleporter, and I can place it right there. And I can set the teleport to, let's say, this location right here, right? So that would be 400. And 264. Right? So now, let's see. Wait. Did I screw up? It seems like I screwed up. Why did that happen? Wait. Wait. Did it teleport itself? What the fuck? Yeah, it teleports itself. The teleporter is teleporting itself. I don't know why. Yeah, and it's getting everything stuck right there. Maybe it's because I'm using other. How about if I instead I added it to the block parent, actually. So block parent. let's add the collision with objects. Teleporter. Teleporter. Okay. And I just say... Oh, wait. I know what the issue is. Hold on. I know what the issue is. I see. You see, X and Y are reserved for the objects, right? I need to set target X and target Y. Yes, that was my error right there. Other.x equals target.x and on Y. Yeah, it's because X and Y already exist. And I was basically overriding that. Yeah. Yes. Okay, that should be working. Yeah, there we go. So if I do this, I can do something like that. Huh? That allows for some extra interesting puzzles. Yeah. Okay, now there is one other thing that I want to make. And that's going to be the reset button. So let me make a new sprite. A script, not a sprite. A sprite. Okay. And your name is going to be sprite underscore reset. Okay. And it's basically going to be just a random tile. Right? I'm just going to make it look like it's a little bit higher. Right? And I'm going to just just as a placeholder. There we go. And now let's make the object. Object creates object, and you are going to be object underscore reset tile. Right. And I'm just going to add a single step. If place meeting with x.y, and let's just call let's set a list right here. Object underscore log parent, or with object underscore enemy parents, or object underscore player. If anything, any of those touches the tile, we will say wait object block parent reset. So now whenever you touch this sprite reset, it's going to trigger the reset for everything. So I will place this right there. Why is that thing right here? I can place this like right there. Right? Okay, so I go right here, move that right there, move that down, and tap reset. Right? If I can push all of these all over the place, I can trigger the reset myself. It is this lot where the password go. Maybe reset remove status icon too. Yeah, that should also be done right. I can close that, and I will set state.idle. That way they will not move. Object plate. Object layer. Right, so now I can just push everything around. And if I press that, it will reset everything. Yeah. That actually is quite nice. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. That is working quite nicely. We have a teleporter, we have a... I think I can make the teleporter a little bit more reactive, actually. Let's see, teleporter. Basically, instead of using the collision, I'm going to simply say step. If place meeting. Wait, do we have one that is specifically to get what are we collating with? Wait. Instant place. Okay, I got it. The correct function. Basically, I will do instance. Oh, that's not what I want. Instant place. And I will say x comma y. And let's count this call. Call ID. And I will simply set to constant out. Okay, that works. Okay. We check against all collisions if call ID is different from no one. We move them to the target. So call ID dot x equals to target x. Call ID dot y equals to target y. Yeah. Right? That means I can do something fun right here. Is I put a teleporter right there? Ah, wait. Hold on. Hold on. I need to set these teleport variables. You are going to go to right here. So that would be 178, 272, right? Actually, I can just use that one if I set it like this. So I can simply do a boop. And now we have a loop. Right? You can actually take the teleporter yourself also. Yeah, now it works with pretty much everything, including your attacks. Yeah, so you can actually use the teleporter to attack. This can be used for quite a lot of puzzles. I like it. Try sending a bomb through the... Oh! Hold on. Nice! It actually works! You can actually parry bombs into the teleporter. Yeah, you can actually do an endless slash. Yeah. Oh, I like it. Lovely. This teleporter is quite a thing. Yeah. Maybe I need to make the collision a little bit smaller to have the teleporter be a little cleaner. But yeah. I can just modify the collision mask to make it a little bit smaller. Like that. Just to make the teleporter more clean looking. It doesn't affect stuff that much, but it makes it look more clean. Yeah, I like it. It's quite nice. My slash is slightly faster than the block. But yeah, you can actually make some real nice combos using this. Yeah. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. We acquired a few extra puzzle pieces, puzzle elements. Yeah, it's quite nice actually. Okay, what else do we need? I believe we need... let me check actually. We have these that are basically the teleporting ones, right? We have the reset button. We need the timer, this right here, basically. The slot? You mean where you place the... Oh yeah, I can actually do that one really easily. Hold on. I can just duplicate this. And let's call this a lock switch. Right? And I can just change this coloring a little bit. Go a little bit more blue. Right. Right, and I can remove the R like that, and I can switch the lock itself. Well, I can just keep it like this for now as a placeholder, right? And I can just make the object, create object underscore lock switch, and switch. Okay. This is going to be if place meeting with x.y, and we are going to check for object in the scroll block. If we have a block in contact with us, we trigger, right? So we set trigger to true. Target dot trigger equals to true. Else target trigger equals to false. Actually, I have an idea. How about if I create the target, right? This is going to be an expression of what we are targeting, right? And we can have it be permanent or not, right? So if no permanent, then we set target trigger to false. Only if place meeting is not happening. We are not in contact with that, and we are not permanent, then we set false, right? Let me check for the doors real quick. Door breakable. Door trigger. There should be a door trigger right here. Let's use the puzzle lock actually as a reference. State, door trigger. Instead of calling it door trigger, how about if I just call it trigger? Oh wait, is that a reserved word? It's a function, I see, so I cannot really use it. Hold on, where is that function? Right here. Trigger. Okay, so now I should be able to use the trigger in theory, right? So if I go over here and use the trigger right there, and I will simply grab the object block switch, right? And I will put it right there, and I will target this guy. I cannot drag and drop. Wait, I cannot drag and drop. Shit. How do I target the thing right here? Yeah, I need the ID. I'm assuming this is the ID, but I'm not sure. Let me check the manual. Instantly words on selfish evaluation order. I thought I could just drag and drop the object. It seems like I cannot. Game maker. Where no. I see. Okay, it turns out this is the ID right here. So I can just literally say, call this door. Right? Wait. No, hold on. This thing. Just call this door. Literally just door. And I can go over here and check the variables, and I will just say door. Apparently that should work. Object unset reject color. Not up in there. Update the state infinite. Why are you asking for that color? Action number identification del object or parents. On object the set color, no set vector limit. I see. It's looking for that color. And parent. I see. And let's see. Door parent. Drop door parent. Okay. And I can close this. Uh, it's because it's detecting as a trigger lock? What the hell? Say open team shape or type normal. Puzzle block. Did I never actually use this type of door before? Huh. Yeah, it keeps looking for the color. Huh. I'll reset this as a puzzle lock. What is happening here? Yeah, I'm not using color right here. Let me see. Oh, now it's not complaining. Okay, the color no se ve read it. I see, it's because when it changes back is when causes an issue. Yeah, I see. Yeah, it crashed. Okay, I think I know what the issue is. I think basically here we're changing the door type, and probably that should not be happening. Yeah. Right? If I trigger this, let's open now. And then we have again the issue with the top color. That's weird. Huh. I'm confused. Yeah, because I'm setting things correctly. Huh. Oh, it's already time. Okay. Well, I suppose we can continue with this later. Yeah. Yeah, it should have been as simple as toggling on off. Yes, indeed. That's the issue. At least we made a bunch of toys to create puzzles with. Yeah. Okay. Oof. Yeah, okay. Then I suppose I'm going to stop here for today. Yes, we made quite a bit of stuff. This will make things easier later down the line. Yeah.
It does have animations though, in the form of videos and such. Pray for me Mew, I'm cooked. It's 5 AM. Oh, you're up early?
Yeah. Okay. Then I suppose I will be stopping here for today. Thank you so much for coming to the stream. And I will see you guys tomorrow for more Elden Ring. Yeah. Good night. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good night. Sleep well. Night-night. Good night. Bye-bye. Adios. Buenas noches. Que descansen. Good night. Night-night. Bye-bye. Good night. Adios. Good night. Bye-bye. Good night. Buenas noches. Que descansen. Bye-bye. Good night. Oh, yes, me. Mata ne. Good night. Adios. And bye.
Pray for me Mew, I'm cooked. It's 5 AM. Hello Glass. Oh, you're up early? More like he never slept. Just a notice if I'm here and it's not like the last hour or last 30 minutes of stream. I should not be here. Reject conformity. I have not slept and I have exams, so. Yeah, but hey, it's great to see you whenever wherever. Lamau me too. With all the stuff I need to do this week, I'll have to pull 2 to 3 all-nighters. I've accepted I'm gonna get low grades already, nothing much to do about that. Make up for the low grades with good portfolio. If I keep going like this then I'll have a bad time. I use strategic naps and the occasional energy drinks to control where I die. Oh, I don't really have to worry about that right now since well Terry's actually a huge problem in the country as we speak. Add eye drops to the Ricardo. No. I mostly rely on eye drops, no energy drinks. I'll inform you if you want some context. After stream obviously. Your university lecturer is reading your chat. Except that I don't play multiplayer. I don't get annoyed by other people, and other people don't get annoyed by me. It's heaven. I'll be back soon. Till then, take care. Bye Glass. Bye. But just in case you do, can I have your toothpaste? Last week most of the VTubers I regularly watch were on break, including you on Tuesday. Less distractions for me to finish my work. I was weirded out too. The urge was too strong. But I refuse. Still not moving? Since the blue blocks are working, wouldn't it be as simple as copy-pasting the code? Not sure how you're doing the detection. Maybe it's trying to get a hit on a blue box despite itself being yellow. Ah. So I was kinda right. What happens when it collides with an enemy? So the puzzle is timed? Literally a physics puzzle game. Nice. Can it teleport back while moving? What happens if there is something in its original position when it teleports back? Just use the blue boxes? If it goes out the map it's gone for good. That sucks. Basically pushing the blocks into a teleporter? Blue and yellow, teleporting blocks. Is this portal now? Why, nice. You also need the slot where the boxes have to go. Maybe reset their move status to idle too. Nice. Oh, you also teleported. Lemao. Try sending a bomb through the teleporter. Oh, you can make an endless slash. Nice. The slot. The slot for where the boxes should go. Yee. ID? Maybe it's from the box color? Nice. Oh crash. Oh time alert. Should have been as simple as toggling on and off. No? Alright. Good night everyone. Bye. Croissant. Bye bye. Croissant. Rice cracker emoji. Banana emoji.